Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today I am going to be making some dinner for my husband and I, and this was on Monday. Yes, this was on Monday, and during the weekend I got a few things from the supermarket, and these are just some of them. And yeah, I'm going to be using some of them to cook tonight. The peppers that I just showed you guys, I got them from the street market. Sorry guys, I got them from the street market, and it's those peppers that you, not peppers, but vegetables that you get from the street market that are usually in plates or dishes. And those were two plates. They were 10 rand each, and I think it was a lot for 20 bucks if I compare them to the ones that I would have gotten from the supermarket. So pretty happy about that purchase. And then the carrots, I just bought them to snack on. I enjoy eating carrots these days, like snacking on them raw as they are. Just peel them, rinse them, and snack on them, especially when they're nice and sweet. I really enjoy them. And then what else? The pumpkin I got from Spa as well. And then the tomatoes we also got at Spa, and we had already used them on during the weekend for breakfast, hence why they were open. And then we also got some spinach, which I will be making later on. I got the spinach from my mom on Sunday. She bought a lot of spinach and she had some bundles left, so she gave me a bundle as well. Over here, I'm just cutting some green pepper that I'm going to be adding to my trotters. I don't think I mentioned what I was making, but I made some bab, trotters, spinach, and pumpkin. These are the trotters. I thought my camera was recording when I added them to the pot and all the spices that I added. I thought it was recording, but it wasn't. So I kept it real simple. I just added some green pepper, and okay, I only added the green pepper later on, but I just boiled it in some beef. I didn't use beef stock, I just used beef spice or beef seasoning, and then I also added a bit of curry, medium curry, just to give it a nice aroma. And then I just let it boil for about 2 hours on medium low heat, and then I added the green peppers and put it on really low heat, on the lowest heat, and then I just let it continue simmering. Personally, I do not like spinach. I don't like the texture. I don't like the taste. But my mom gave me this bundle, so I thought, let me make it for my husband. Well, I usually buy spinach and just make it for him. Like, I'll just buy 1 or 2 bundles and then make it for him because it shrinks a lot. So even for one person, sometimes one bundle is not enough. Not for one sitting, of course, but I usually cook for like 2 or 3 days. So 2 bundles are usually enough for him. And then, so yeah, another thing that I don't like about preparing spinach is that I need to remove the stalks. Ugh, it's a job and a half. It's a job and a half, which is something that I don't do with my mustard spinach. It's nice and easy to prepare, but with spinach, I need to remove the this is it the stem? Yeah, I think it's the stems. But that white part, I need to remove it because it makes cooking time even longer. So yeah, I remove the stalks and it cooks faster than it would with the stalks on. So, with the spinach, guys, I had to improvise on a lot of things. I didn't have cream. Well, the initial idea was to make cream spinach, but I didn't have any milk, I didn't have any cream, I didn't have any mushrooms. So, I had to improvise a little and I just fried red pepper and um, what is this? Red onions until they were nice and soft. And then I added some cheese and some of the spinach water that I drained when I was boiling it. And then I added some sauce. I know this sauce is like a table sauce. You're not really supposed to cook with it, but hey, I used it regardless, and my husband enjoyed it. He said it was delicious. I should make it again. So, sometimes, like he always says, that some of the best recipes are found or are discovered through making mistakes or improvising. And today was just one of those days. And then I just made some pap. I usually use a whisk first, and you really need to go fast because you don't want any lumps. Besides the fact that this is sped up, but even um, in real time, you need to be very fast because you're trying to avoid creating lumps, and at the same time this thing is boiling and it's burning you. So yeah, making pap sometimes is like I don't know what to call it, but yeah, you need to be fast when you're making pap. Today I didn't add any cinnamon to my pumpkin. I just added sugar and boiled it until it was nice and soft. And then this is the spinach, guys. This is how it turned out. Looks delicious, and my husband said it was delicious, so really happy about that. Okay guys, I am done. I am so tired. I just want to go and sit down and eat. The pumpkin is ready, the trotters are ready, the spinach is ready as well, and the pap. So I'm going to dish up and we're going to have dinner, and then I am going straight to bed. I am so tired. This is my husband's plate, and this is the final result. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.